So this is Skippy. As you can see, he's the more active one. And this is Coco. And I think he hates me. Because he doesn't move out, he doesn't move around a lot. But when he's out of the cage, he goes crazy. See, this guy's more relaxed even with my hand in the cage. I'll try to get in the cage, hold on. So he doesn't seem to care. So there's Coco, but he just doesn't like me trying to touch him. So I don't know what kind of progress I'm making here. By the way, this is their temporary cage because I just painted their bigger cage and I'm waiting for it to dry. It's gonna take about a week. But so far, they do look happy here. And yeah, they always have food. They always have fresh water every day. So don't worry, guys. I let them out of the cage every day, even if they're not hand tamed, just to give them enough exercise. So yeah, Skippy likes to clean himself a lot. Yeah, that's his favorite toy. Alright, just wanted to show you my new birds. Yeah, Skippy and Coco.